नमस्कार बच्चों. So we are discussing chapter heat, and under this chapter I shall be now teaching you what is meant by conduction. Conduction is transfer of heat from one part of an object to another. Say for example, I have this object in my hand. If I heat at this part of the object, it should get transferred to the other end of the object. Then I will say that this substance is a conductor. And if heating one part of the same object does not let the other part of the same object to be heated, then we will call it insulator. Right children? Insulators are also called as bad conductors, and conductors are also called as good conductors. Nowadays children, this classification has been changed. According to scientists these days, there are two types of substances, conductors, that means good conductors and bad conductors. Good conductors and bad conductors. This terminology of conductors and insulators is no more in use in the scientific world. Why is this so? Because it has been observed that everything conducts to certain extent and under certain conditions. So we shall be now comparing the conduction in a few substances of our daily use. See children, this is a metallic spatula, and here you will see a piece of wax over here. And if I heat this end of the spatula, the wax which is fixed over here, the heat will be conducted from this end to this end, and slowly it will be heated and this wax will start dropping down. And I will be showing you the same experiment with another object. Here this is glass rod. I will be conducting the same experiment with the glass rod, and we will see that heating with the for the same time will conduct heat in this glass rod and metallic substance to the same extent or not. Now shall I see? Children, it has started becoming hot. अभी यहीं तक हीट पहुंची है. You see children, thicker the substance, more difficult will be to conduct the heat, and thinner the substance, more easy will be the conduction of heat. Why so? Because if you have large surface area, there will be more resistance to the conduction, and if you have less area, there will be less resistance to the conduction. Now it is getting hot. Yes, it is getting hot. In a few seconds, this wax will start dropping down. इसमें कंडक्शन बहुत स्लो है. पॉज करिए जो 2 लाइन वाला.